Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Jazz Agency in the Philippines, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
May pamilya ka doon or friends na nagtatrabaho doon? No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your name?
Melanie Abina Tejero.
How old are you?
I'm 27 years old.
Are you single or married?
Single.
Okay, when is your birthday?
December 22, 1997.
What is your height and your weight?
5 flat and then 50
Okay,
kilos.
what is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Your educational background?
Under high school graduate.
High school graduate or undergrad in high school?
Second year high school. High school.
Secondary. Okay.
High
Do you
school.
have children?
1,
Okay. How old is your kid?
7 years old.
Okay. This is your first time working abroad, Melanie, right?
Yes.
So, who will going to take care of your kid once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Who? Who will going to take care? Please
My
focus in the
mother.
camera. Look in the camera.
My
Who will?
mother.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother, 50 years old and housewife.
Housewife. So, can you endure homesickness?
Yes.
Okay, so are you strong enough to work quite far away from your family? Because this is a 2 years
Yes,
contract.
ma'am. Yes.
You cannot easily go back home because you signed a 2 years contract. Okay, if there is anything might happen to your family back in the Philippines, you cannot easily go back home. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have a 2 years contract and you need to finish it. Otherwise, if you breach your contract, you have a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here and you are the one who decided, correct?
Okay, ma'am. Noted, ma'am.
Noted. So, are you aware in our usage of mobile handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working. But rather than you can hold your phone during nighttime only, like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I'm agree.
Okay, you have a once a week rest day also, but you will going to stay inside the employer's house. You cannot go out. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience in Philippines way back 2020 to 2023 as a housemaid, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines? In which place in the Philippines you work? Is it in Manila, Davao, Mindanao?
Mindanao. Ma'am.
Mindanao. Okay, so what job did you do there? What are your responsibilities? Did you do cooking, laundry, ironing?
Cook, simple cooking, but willing to learn More,
Okay.
ma'am.
No, I mean, my question is, to your previous employer, what did you do there? What job did you do?
Take care 1 year old baby.
And then, did you do cooking,
What?
laundry, ironing, and do house
Yes,
chores
ma'am. All around, ma'am.
all around?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to work, Melanie?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, working abroad is not so easy. It's very tough. You need to be flexible, okay? Because there
Okay,
is no
ma'am.
such a thing that you will just do taking care of baby only. No. You need to do house chores also at the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Willing
okay
to
to take
learn
care
more.
pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So how will you fight your homesickness if you miss your kid or family?
Whole family, ma'am.
Call
After work.
family after work.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we need to be humble also, Melanie, once we come and work to our employer, okay? We need to
Yes,
respect the
ma'am.
rules and regulations also of our employer, okay? Because we are the one
Okay,
who
ma'am.
come to their country to sustain our family's needs, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
But so far, you can understand English, right? And you can talk?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why did you choose to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Because the Malaysia is safe country for OFW.
Safe country. Who
Yes,
told you
ma'am.
that the Malaysia is a safe country?
I researched
You
the
research. Okay. So, there is no safe country actually if we are the one who work in any other countries, okay? There will some time that we don't know our employer. We are strangers with each other, okay? So, you must prepare yourself for anything that might happen to you here, okay? Because there is no
thing.
guarantee. There were some good, there were some bad. Same also like we are in the Philippines in our own motherland. Yeah? There is good, there is bad, there is no guarantee that it's a safe country. Okay? So you need to prepare yourself, you get ready yourself, that you need to prepare for any task that the employer will be given to you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now, Melanie. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you and have a good day.